Welcome back to FitLife Fusion. Today, we're talking about 7 amazing low-calorie snacks that are perfect for anyone on a weight loss journey. These snacks are under 100 calories, packed with nutrition, and great for curbing hunger between meals. Let's get started. First up, Greek yogurt with berries. Just half a cup of Greek yogurt and a few fresh berries add up to around 90 calories. This combo is full of protein and antioxidants, keeping you feeling full and satisfied. Next, we have carrot sticks with hummus. 1 medium carrot with a tablespoon of hummus is roughly 80 calories. Carrots are high in fiber, while hummus provides protein, making this a crunchy, satisfying snack. Third on the list is apple slices with almond butter. Half an apple with a teaspoon of almond butter is about 90 calories. This snack offers fiber from the apple and healthy fats from the almond butter, giving you energy without a calorie overload. Fourth is cucumber slices with a bit of cottage cheese. Half a cucumber with a spoonful of cottage cheese is under 50 calories. This combo is hydrating and provides a good amount of protein and calcium. Up next, air-popped popcorn. 3 cups of plain, air-popped popcorn is only about 90 calories. Popcorn is high in fiber, low in calories, and perfect for satisfying that crunchy craving without guilt. Our 6th snack is celery with peanut butter. 2 medium celery sticks with half a teaspoon of peanut butter come to about 80 calories. It's light, crunchy, and the peanut butter adds a hint of protein and healthy fats. Last but not least, we have cherry tomatoes with a bit of mozzarella cheese. About 5 cherry tomatoes with a small piece of mozzarella cheese add up to around 90 calories. This snack has antioxidants, fiber, and a bit of protein. So there you have it. 7 low-calorie snacks that are nutritious, tasty, and perfect for weight loss. Let me know in the comments which one is your favorite. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more healthy tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.